Hello everyone, we are driving up to Campbell's Way, our headquarters. It's bright and early, around 7 o'clock. We have filled the van with tons of food. Just want to say good morning and thank you for that. All of our Campbell's folks who contributed to helping us help hurricane victims from relief. Thank you very much. In this truck, you'll see behind us all the contributing things that were provided to us from food, non-perishable items, toiletry items. We haven't even put the clothes in just yet, and there's about 16 bags of clothes that were donated to us.
But since the hurricane, things have got a little bad for people. So now we're doing, matter of fact, we get clothes out to the neighborhoods too, always. But now we're feeding families from all over. They bring them in here, whatever they need, we give it to them.
Gotcha.
Food, clothes, blankets, sheets, whatever they need. That's what we do. Well, we had guys here today who needed stuff. They stand across the street over there, at FEMA, over there at the convention center, and they don't have the guy was in the day getting shoes and toiletries. So I come with you, and we ain't supposed to do it, but we don't turn nobody away. You need something, we're gonna give it to you. I was out there, I was in need too. Gotcha. So I'm gonna help you a little more than maybe the regular, where the process is supposed to go. I'm gonna do a little more because I've been there. I know what you're going through.
Absolutely. Well, we really appreciate you open up doors and letting us come and contribute too.
Yeah, we
don't do
appreciate
much,
y'all.
but we want to try to make sure we give as much as we can. Do something for those people who are impacted not only by Sandy,
right?
But like you said, 365 days a year. So
and the people do appreciate it. I mean, they do appreciate. They know that they see the stuff coming in from people. We had to evacuate here during the flood. We had to go to my church and stay. Okay. And people said they couldn't believe that people actually respond to the mission like this. They don't. They said, "You mean people come from everywhere to bring stuff here to us?" Yeah, people care about y'all. People do care out there. Thank y'all very much. Very much. We'll get you. Good luck to you, man.
I know it will.
What's your name?
Norberto.
Norberto, and your name?
Ishmael.
Ishmael. God bless you for the work you're doing.
We honestly came from Tennessee. We drove 17 hours yesterday. We're not totally from here. We just wanted to help. We saw the news.
Oh man, that's
brought that van full of stuff. And man, I don't have words. So I just met a guy that he told me the same thing. He lost everything, and when I go back home, you see your life in another perspective.
I know.
I got two boys, and when this happened on the news, I told him, my 13-year-old, I told him, look, man, we're blessed. You need to understand that
we are.
When we have a roof, we have a place to eat, a jacket to put when it's cold, and these people don't have everything right now.